What is up guys, this is Nick here and I'm back with another video after a very long time, but with a new video and with a new idea. So if you are a Google Home Mini owner, then definitely many of you guys have searched a lot on YouTube and those other websites for DIY mount for your Google Home Mini, but you did not found any of a good idea. So in this video, I am gonna be telling you how I made a mount for my Google Home Mini. Let's get started. So how was it? Let me know in the comments down below, and also I am giving away this one. I am having in my hand to one of you. To enter this giveaway, the process is very simple. Like this video, share this video, hit that subscribe button, and very important, comment down below with your Instagram ID. The target for this giveaway is 200 views, and those guys other than the winner, go to your nearby plastic store, grab a box and make your own mount at your home. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Hey Google, turn off my camera.
Okay, it's off.